For this installation, you'll need a 7mm wrench, a 10mm wrench, flathead screwdriver, and some tape. The side markers are on the outside of the headlight housing. Begin by opening the hood. On the passenger side, there isn't enough space with the air filter in the way. We'll remove the air filter. There are 3 clips holding the filter in. Pull up on both sides and then by the hose. We highlight here the clips on the air filter. Tape the filter out of the way to make some more workspace. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Plug in the LED and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Turn the bulb socket clockwise to lock it. The tab on the back of the socket will be at 45 degrees when installed and then horizontal when locked. Line up the clips on the air filter and push it down until it locks. Now repeat those steps on the other side. To make more space, we'll remove the T-bar, the battery connection, and loosen the fuse box. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 3 bolts in the bar. Remove the battery cover and loosen the wire to the battery and take it off the terminal. There are 2 clips on each side of the handle. Pry the clips out and lift the handle to unlock the cover. There are 2 7mm bolts from the top and 1 more on the side to remove. With the fuse box out of the way, turn the bulb socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Plug in the LED and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket with the slots in the housing. Turn the bulb socket clockwise to lock it. The tab on the back of the socket will be at 45 degrees when installed and then horizontal when locked. Replace the fuse box and line up the holes. Replace and tighten the 3 bolts. Put the cover back on and push the handles down to lock it. Replace the wire to the battery and tighten. Line up the T-bar with the holes and replace and tighten the bolts. Replace the battery cover. These new yellow LED side markers are much brighter than the incandescent bulb.